This is how to add a Zoom link in Google Calendar. Open Google Calendar in your web browser and sign in. Now click the gear icon in the top right, then select Get Add-ons. The Google Workspace Marketplace opens in a new tab. Type Zoom for Google Workspace into the search bar and hit Enter. There are a couple of similar looking add-ons, so check the publisher name on the card. I only use the one from Zoom Video Communications because that is the one that actually creates the Zoom conference and attaches it to the event. Click the official Zoom card, then click Install. Google now shows the permission screen. It is going to ask to manage your calendar events, which is what this add-on needs. Click Continue. Choose the Google account you use for this calendar, and then click Allow. The install screen finishes and you see a confirmation that Zoom for Google Workspace is installed. Now go back to your Calendar tab and refresh the page. Press Ctrl-R on Windows or Command-R on a Mac. After the page reloads, look at the right sidebar. The Zoom icon appears there. If you do not see it, refresh one more time before you log in. Click the Zoom icon and a sign-in window opens. Sign in with the Zoom account you host meetings from. Now you can attach the link. Click Create in the top left to open a new event. In the event window, do not paste a Zoom invite into the location field. That gives your guests a link but no join button. Instead, click Add Video Conferencing. It is the drop-down right below the date and time. Select Zoom Meeting from that menu. Calendar takes a second and drops a Zoom Meeting join link into the location field, plus the meeting ID and passcode. Below that, the name of the Zoom account shows in small text. That is how you know it actually connected to Zoom, not just copied text. Add your guests in the Add Guest field on the right, set the date and time, and click Save. If your event already has guests, Calendar asks whether to send them an update. Click Send. After saving, the event opens with a Join Zoom Meeting button at the top. Click that button to test before the meeting day. It launches Zoom, and the passcode is already embedded in that link for invitees. Do not remove the location text because that strips the passcode and your guests get an error. If you want to change meeting settings like the waiting room, open the event and click the meeting details, and Calendar sends you to the Zoom web portal. I always set the waiting room to off for internal team meetings. If this got your meeting link working, give it a like and subscribe. And leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments push this to other people searching for the same thing.